Hello everyone, welcome to Try to Trick. In this video I am going to talk about a program I created for AWS Usage Alerts using Slack. As you know, in AWS you get 15 GB per month in free tier. So you can check in your console, it will tell here your bandwidth used, data transfer out under the monthly global free tier. I used mine 9.433 GB and I can only use for 10 GB per month. So I created this tool which will alert me uses on my Slack. But let me warn you one thing first. This program uses Cost Explorer API which charges $0.01 per request. AWS provides this data in console for free, but using API it charges $0.01. so I was warning in advance so that you don't cost much. Okay, so let's see how you can use this. This is you can find it on my repository AWS Usage, and you can download, and link will also be available in description. So first of all, Python program for send alerts for data transfer usage under free tier and Slack and desktop notifications. You can you have to install this Python library, and you have also to install AWS client. If you are on Arch Linux, you can install using this, or otherwise for Debian based you can use this command. So for configure AWS, you have to run this command. After that you will be asked your access credentials and your region of your AWS server, and you have to configure your Slack if you want to receive messages. For configure Slack, you can go to this repository of my Slackbot. It is very easy program, not very complicated, very small. You can see that you can easily send messages to your Slack channel like this. And you if you don't know, you can also see my video about Slackbot. I link will be in description. So you have to configure AWS, configure Slack, and you can also skip this step if you want, if only you want to desktop notifications. And you have to configure filter.json. This is important file. So this file tells which data to retrieve from AWS to show. So name of usage type is different for different regions, and you can find value of data transfer out bytes for using region. So you can run this command to get exact name of your data transfer out bytes. I tried different regions, and for some of them I get APN1. This is mainly for Tokyo, like this, and for Singapore I get APSW1, and for some this. And you can also see in your billing like AP and 1. So you can change this file using this, or you can find using this. So let me first show all files. So this is filter.json file. So filter.json has only one line, usage type, and that is what I am talking about, what you have to change according to your region, and that will work for that. And this is AWS usage file. So this sends this request to Cost Explorer API, and when data is retrieved, this sends a Slack message. If you don't want Slack, you just have to remove this file, otherwise this will send Slack messages. So after configuring AWS, configuring Slack, and configuring that one keyword I was telling about for filter.json, you can easily run this command, and you will get notifications for your free tier usage on your Slack channel. And one important thing, here you can see channel is AWS alerts. Slackbot will show errors if this channel doesn't exist, so you can change name according to your channel where you want to receive alerts. So that's, I think, covered all. And make sure you didn't use that often, otherwise there will be huge bill. So if you like video, give me thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and if you liked my tool, you can support my work by buying me a coffee. Thank you. That's all for this video. Thank you very much.